Hello everybody again, and well, so today I'll be showing you the Tellraw command for Minecraft. Again, Minecraft's awesome. We're going to use skin, but yeah, Tellraw command. So first of all, Tellraw can be just used. The Tellraw command is just slash. Leave the chat. Slash Tellraw. Also, you can press tab, and it will show the players. Or like if you do tell, go tab. You either do the tell command or the Tellraw. Keep on pressing tab to do whatever. And then you can do a player. So I'm just gonna do all players, or at A. It stands for all players. I'm gonna put this text quote, and then you put, and you have to do these quotes, and then you do brackets at the end. Enter, and there you go. It says that, except you're like, cool, you can already do that, but no, you can't. You can do the say command. Then it would show this right here. Instead of all this stuff just randomly appearing. So back to the Tellraw. In between, after the quote, put comma, color, and then you can put red. Yeah, whatever color you want. But you have to remember all these little colon, or not colons, these little things. I'm not sure what they're called. Quotes, yeah, that's it. And then they'll say it in red. And you can do a lot of stuff with this. You can do blue. You say like blue, like that. It'll just do white. It'll just do the default one. And you can do a bunch of stuff with this. Not really too much though. Okay, barely see that. But here we're gonna see some other things you can do. Not the one I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. So now we're looking at a clickEvent. This is where this is where it gets complicated. So slash all players text, and then you put your custom text in between these things, these quotes, color, and then you say the color, and then here's something you can say if it's bold. See, bold, true, or false. Well, if you can either do bold, true, or not have any bold at all, just like that. But like bold, not blood or blood. Bold, true. I think that's how it was. And you can also do this. clickEvent. Remember to get the capital E. Action, run command. This is where it gets complicated. Value. Okay, so should we get the clickEvent? Opening bracket. Action. Semicolon or colon. Quote command. _/ command. Comma. Value. You might want to write this down. Just like pause the video and write this down. And then here's something. In these quotes, you can type in a command. It can be any command you like. You can just do a command. Okay. And remember to put these. Remember to put the command in the colon. So I just did another Tellraw command, because why not? And then at the end of your command, so this is the end right here of your command. You're saying, and then you go to this colon, or this quote right here, and then 2 ending brackets. That's what it is. So click done. Press the button. What happened? take out this bold. This is what happened. Bold. Okay, so done. Why isn't it working? Sorry, I tested this. Apparently it just doesn't want to work. Should work. Get through a command. Tellraw all players. It works. Line 9. Okay, let's go back to line 9. It's like here. Recording. So this. I'm not too sure why it doesn't work. But, I'm not sure. It should work. Well, anyways. So let me see. I'm not too sure why it does not work. Here, I'll fix it. Almost done. Almost done. And okay. So this is how you do it. So it's blah 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 blah. I'm not sure what I got wrong. This. Text. It works. Okay. Press the button. See, now it works. It will say click me. It's in bold. Just left click it and it says whatever you want it to say. I just said it works. So, as I said, you put the command in here. Put the command right here. Right in this little area. So, slash say hi. Done. Press the button. Click me. I'll say hi. John Coop says hi. Yeah. So you can do a bunch of stuff with this. Especially because with the clickEvent you can do whatever you want. Also, I'll leave this command in the description. Command here. This is all just whatever. And then color here. So we're just gonna put the color there. False. And then go over here. Say so. Done. That won't do anything. Moving on to this. To clear the chat. Press the button and click me. And I'm not gonna click it. I'm just gonna hover over. And look. It's not gonna do anything when I click it, but still. Just hover over it and it says something. Now that will just say a block idea. Like, let's do 36. Done. Press it. Done. TNT. Say just TNT. Whatever you want it to say. Do something else. It's called a hoverEvent. True or false. It's called a hoverEvent. It is where it will show any item you want. Now here, you do ID. You just put your ID here, the item you want to show, and yeah, that is the command. That is the hoverEvent part of the command. Color. Now, as you saw, you can change the color like normal and do a bunch of awesome stuff. But go back to click me. Any text you want. Text here. Done. And then here's what else you can do. Click me, hover over it, and it will say something. It will say something cool. Like this is anything you want. This is the same thing pretty much. Except it is, let's go over here. So the hoverEvent. Also, this command will be in the description. So this right here is just from here on. This is all just one item. It just has a bunch of data tags. From this right here. This coin here, or not a coin. I don't know what it is. I keep saying I know, but to here, right here, this one. It's all the command. So yeah, this command will be in the description. That is, there's some more Tellraw command. I'm not too sure about it, so I'm not 100% sure how to use it. So I have not showed off that yet. That is most of the Tellraw command. If you want to just type this command in, yeah, it'll be in the description, whatever. Also, I used a website that helps me type in commands and do stuff. Yeah, it helps me use Tellraw commands. I don't like typing things in, it's too much work. So I'll leave the website in the description that helps me, and I think, not helps me, but types it in for me. I think that's it. So this will be in the description. Done. Yeah. This is my intro. I did the other command thing here, I'm pretty sure. I think I did. I did. It's over here though. But that is the Tellraw tutorial. Like, subscribe, and rock. Or I could just do a Tellraw command. I think that's all. Yeah, sorry for the lack of videos I've been doing. And if you see this, tell your friends about it. So, I shall see you all next time. Goodbye.